Hello everyone, I am Frank from Huirun Packing Machine Company. Today I will introduce a new product for you. This is a new cap. This is a new design cap. This cap inside with some powder. We call the cap twisting, rocking, then drinking. Okay, now I show you this cap how to working. First, we twisting the cap. Now the cap is twisting, we can rocking. You can see the water changes the color because we use Chinese tea. Now sometimes you can inside to this cap use other powders like vitamins powder, collagen powder, or some juice powder. This is okay, no problem. About 2 grams or 3 grams inside the cap powder. Okay, we open. This is Chinese tea. Now, if you like this idea of this cap, you can call me.